Good morning, guys. Happy Monday to you guys. Whatever I'm watching it. Today I'm doing another gutter cleaning here. Today down here in Sarasota, doing a gutter cleaning for a elderly gentleman. I don't know if he's sleeping alone, but look like it. But he's a good guy, good gentleman, and he needs a gutter cleaning. As you can see here, his gutter is very full. It's here, and that's what the his concerns made this poolside clean first. Look at this, it is very dirty full. Good news is the gutter is easily accessible to here because the gutter is not that very tight on the rope. It's a good looking one, and he is behind this pond. You see his roof right here. And go look up there. How his roof look like. And the gutters all through there. It's not that full on that side. You can see there. But through here, not that much. There. So it's through here. The area here is empty. There's no problem at all, just around here and all through there. Take a picture too. Yep, and this is very easy to clean, I guess, because of this. Not I guess, it's a fact, because of the roof shingle he has. Easy to walk onto, and I'll take a picture again. So the top. Yep. Like I said, I'm here in Sarasota, and this is the farthest third town away from my town that prior to providing service so far. So yep, thank you guys for watching, and you guys know, or share my videos. What watching is, you can share my videos, people that they can see. I appreciate you guys, and you can send me a message. I appreciate you. And for me, I'm about to go and tackle some work. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, you can find me on YouTube, Mar Mangawang, or Southwest for Southwest, or in Facebook, Southwest for Southwest. Likes me there. You can see all my clients, the past, and my review in Tampa, guys. Alright, thank you for watching, and God bless. Have a great day.